Good evening once again, children. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, we have started new chapter arithmetic progression in which I have explained about the sequence, right? What is sequence? And how you can find the 7th term, 10th term, right? Or nth term. Right, beta? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will learn about the arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between the two terms, preceding two terms, remains same, is called arithmetic progression. See, suppose what is arithmetic progression? See a sequence. Suppose you are having this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you will observe beta, the difference between two terms throughout the sequence remains the same. Suppose your first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8, and fifth term is 10. Right, beta? Now, when you are finding difference between second and first term, it will be 4 minus 2. When you are finding difference between third term and second term, it will also 6 minus 4, it will be 2. Then difference between A4, third term and fourth term will be 8 minus 6, it will be 2. And difference between fifth and fourth term will be also. So if you will observe, the difference between the two terms, succeeding two terms, remains the same throughout the sequence. So whenever the difference between terms is same, preceding terms is always say a constant, or you can say same, that is called the common difference. 2, 2, 2. It is a common difference. So you will write common difference is 2. And it is represented by small letter d. And always you have to represent first term by. Understood this thing, beta? What is your arithmetic progression? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Moksha is replying. What about others?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay. So children, arithmetic progression basically a sequence in which common difference between the two preceding terms remains constant, or you can say remains the same throughout the sequence. So understood this thing, children? So kindly note it down it. Done, children?
Done, ma'am.
Now see,
Done, ma'am.
if we have, if A be the first term and small d be the common difference, then your AP will be A plus D, A plus D plus D, A plus D plus D plus D, then A plus D plus D plus D plus D. Right, children? So on. So your term will, your general AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and A plus 4D. So, as see, this was the example 2, 4, 6, 8. So, 2 is the common difference, right? 2 is the common difference. So, when you are adding common difference to the preceding term, you will get the next succeeding term, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2. So, here D is the common difference. So, you will be adding D to the first term, you will get second term D. Then again D to the second term, you will get third. Okay, children? Got it, this thing?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Yes, beta, see. This is your 2, 4, 6, 8. This is your AP. Because here the difference between the two numbers are same. 2, 2, 2. This thing you all have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, this is your first term. A is equal to A. First term is equal to 2. Now, when you are adding, common difference is also 2. When you are adding 2 to first term, you will get second term 2 plus 2, 4. Right? Then third term will be 4 plus 2. It means 6. Then fourth term will be 6 plus 2, 8. So it means, beta, when you are adding common difference to the preceding term, like you are adding 2 to 2, 2 plus 2 will you get 4. Then when you are adding 2 to 4, you will get 6. When you are adding 6 to 2, you will get 8. So in this way, you will get the sequence. This is called AP. So I have generalized this AP that A with the first term and D with the common difference. So first term is A and D. So you will add this D to the first term now. Then you will get second term. Now add D to second term, you will get third term. Now add D to second term, you will get fourth term. Now when you are adding this D to fourth term, you will get fifth. Now understood? Now your general term will be, general AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and A plus. Now understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note this.
Noted, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
Done?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am, I was late due to power cut.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's happening?
But actually, I am explaining arithmetic progression. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
All have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, now next is for example, suppose if we have a sequence 11, 7, 3, minus 1, and you have to check whether the sequence is in AP or not. So children, how we will check that the given sequence is in AP or not? First of all, you will write the first term, second term, third and fourth term. So you will write like this. First term is 11. Then second term will be 7. Third term is 3. And fourth term is minus. Now the important quality of AP is, or you can say important property of AP is that its common difference remains the same. Right, beta? So just find the common difference and always you have to subtract the preceding term from the succeeding. Okay. So A2 minus A1. Now check. So it will be 7 minus 11. So minus 4. Now A3 minus A2. 3 minus 7. Then it will be minus 4. Now again find A4 minus A3. So it will be minus 1 minus 3. So minus 4. So if you have observed that your common difference remains the same. Therefore, as you will write therefore as common difference is same throughout the sequence, therefore it is in AP. Understood, children? How you will identify that the given sequence is in AP or not?
Yes,
Grade
ma'am.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Siddharth, Dhairya, Meher, Shan. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Sorry. Please note this, Haryu. Because in your exercise 5.1, from your NCERT textbook, you will see these type of questions only.
Done, ma'am.
All have done? Kindly show me your thumbs up.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Moksha, Aryan, fine, Siddharth, Shan, Siddhishri. Good evening, Siddhishri.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Oh, today you have joined late. What happened?
Ma'am?
Yes, Siddhishri, you have joined late now, beta, today.
Yes, ma'am, due to rain.
Okay. Dharya, return. Shan.
Yes, ma'am. Written, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose now next example is, children, please tell me, you all are having NCERT textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, suppose questions come like this, that show that sequence defined by n term is equal to 4n plus 5 is an AP. Is an AP. Find its common difference. So any idea, children? We have to show that the given sequence is an AP. Any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can take
Can you
first
please
five
tell
terms.
me
So
how we can show that this is an
Ma'am,
AP?
we can take n as 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5.
yes, correct. So first of all, you will write, we have a sequence an is equal to 4n plus 5. Now, without having the terms, we can't find common difference or we can't check it. So firstly, you will put n is equal to 1. So finding first terms. First term will be 4 into 1 plus 5. It will be 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now put n is equal to 2. Now second term will be 4 into 2 plus 5. So 4 2 are 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Now put n is equal to 3. So third term will be equal to 4 into 3 plus 5. So 4 3 are 12 plus 5 it will be 17. Now one more term we can find, n is equal to 4. Then fourth term will be 4 into 4 plus 5. So 16 plus 5, it will be 24. Now how we can check? You can find that common difference, because the one important property of AP is the difference between the two number remains the same. So you will find first of all A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is 13 minus 9. So it will be 4. Now A3 minus A2, 17 minus 13, it will be 4. Then fourth term minus third term, it will be 21 minus 17. So if you will observe that the common difference remains the same. So you will write as difference between two terms remains same throughout the sequence. the sequence. Therefore, it is an AP. Now it is an AP common difference. You have already calculated. Your common difference will be equal to D4. Understood, beta? How you will check?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Abhinav, Dhairya.
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you move it up, ma'am? I'm writing.
Yes, yes. Meher, Siddharth, have you understood?
Ma'am, right, still in the question, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Meher, Shan, Siddhishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
All have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, scroll down. please.
Yes, I'm. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question, children. This question for you. You will solve. Show that the sequence defined by nth term is equal to 5n minus 7 is an AP. Also find its common difference. Try to solve it.
And common difference is 5.
This is an AP. Tell me, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And common difference?
5.
5, ma'am.
Yes. Siddhishri, have you got 5? Meher, Shan, Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
have you got 5? The common difference. You have to just put the values of n as 1, 2, 3, 4. So our nth term is 5n minus 7. So put n is equal to 1 beta. Then your first term will be 5 into 1 minus 7. So 5 minus 7, it will be minus 2. Now put n is equal to 2. Then second term will be 5 into 2 minus 7. So 10 minus 7, it will be minus 3. It will be 3.
3, ma'am.
Yes. Then put n is equal to 3. Then it will be 5 into 3 minus 7. So 15 minus 7, it will be 8. So your sequence is, you will write, therefore, sequence is your first term was minus 2. So you will write minus 2, then 3, then 8, so on. Right? Now check the common difference. So common difference is second term minus first term. So it will be 3. Minus sign is already there. And minus sign is with 2. So 3 minus minus plus. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Then common difference. Third term minus second term. Third term is 8. 8 minus 3, it will be 5. So therefore, it is an AP and its common difference is 5. This is the answer. Okay, Siddhishri, understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Meher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please do it.
Ma'am, for this test, this only, no, ma'am.
For in your test, beta, quadratic equations will come only
Okay.
because few questions are left from the quadratic equation, which will you have to practice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'm asking you again and again, kindly write all the steps. Okay, because your CBSE evaluation is based on the steps only. Okay. If you will not write all the steps, then you will not get the full marks. So children, in today's homework, I will give you questions like this only. 2 questions I will post in your homework. Okay, beta?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, you'll post it today, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Ma'am.
you people need to send it to me, your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And children, on coming Sunday, I will be taking your class to compensate yesterday's class. Okay?
Ma'am, what time, ma'am?
5:30. It will be fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in
Completed, ma'am.
today's class, we have learned about the how to verify the given sequence is an AP or not, and how to find the common difference. Okay. Siddhishri, done? Meher?
Completed,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.